Hello, folks. Pardon my appearance. It's not about appearance, it's about showing you the real deal, what goes on when you're trying to create something from nothing, and how things change so fast online that you have to set up foundations that you can pivot and still thrive, still reach a goal. And my goal is earning more daily passive income every day. I'm on my website, storebuy.shop, and you see these Amazon ads right here. I get them from Amazon. When you're signed into your account, you see here, get link text. There used to be one with a text image, like you see here. Sorry, I have a lot of tabs open. Like you see here. Now they only have the link available. That's it. No more images. That upset me because I was setting up my back end in the Ad Inserter Pro 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would just have to go into my program and change that code occasionally when I want to change the ads that show on my website on specific pages. These are going obsolete. I'm so grateful I learned about that today because I was in touch with them. How do you know that? It's because when I communicated with them, they explained the site stripe features, image and text plus image option has been depreciated since October 31st. Please note that standard text links from Stripe, Stripe, will continue to be available and work appropriately. I'm so upset right now. I'm sorry, guys. In addition, if you have some programming skills, that's another thing. I did look into that. I want to get to the stage of fun. I'm very upset that these are going obsolete. However, I spent probably 3 to 4 hours in the past couple of weeks setting up 1, 2, 3, 4, and I know that I can add my URLs here, and these ads will show on specific pages. And when I want to make a change, I can easily make a change. But then I just sat here like burning my brain. I don't want to take all that work down because I updated 50 pages. Let me show you that. Right here, my back end, 50 pages. There's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I'm sorry. 100 pages. I have 5 pages with 20 pages on it. And I took the time to add paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4 to show those ads. I was planning ahead that the future work will be easy. You know what? Things happen for a reason. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own work and use those slots to redirect people to YouTube channels. Now, I have a very good idea. I love everyday products. I really do enjoy writing about everyday products. All my work did not go to waste. Let me show you what I mean before I move forward. Storebuy.shop. I write about everyday products. This is a banner that I put together. And if you click on it, this is just a home page. If you click on that post, it leads to another page. I don't have a website that just has a bunch of affiliate links. I'm about substance, content, quality content, research, writing about products that I use, that I like, that I want to sell. But if Amazon is already taking away the image plus text or text plus image and only allowing us to use this. Do you think this is going to be here forever? I don't think so. I think they're going to force people to develop more skills. I could do this. I'm just deciding if I want to bother anymore, because I've been setting myself up for a bright future for so long. I want to have fun now. I want to be creator and use the foundations I built, the solid foundations, to earn, good daily, steady, passive streams of income and have fun doing it. There's got to come a time that you step back from all the learning. I mean, I have to learn more. I can do this, but a lot of people can't. And they're going to take this away, this easiness. I know they are. And then you have to, in the first 180 days, make a sale, or you don't have access to this. This is just the back end for somebody with more developed skills, that you can review any product information that you want to use on your website. And then AWS comes into play, and that goes even more deep. I use AWS for a couple of things in the background. I'm grateful I know how to use it for my website backups. But then you come to here and you have to understand the SDKs, and you have to understand coding and CLI, client authenticate. That's real deep. They're going to take this away soon. So I don't want to continue moving forward. Sorry, that's just an ad. And I'm going to talk about that in a moment. Moving forward, placing their ads on top of my work. I was building my business around directing people to pages I put together, speaking about products, to sell the products, Amazon products, Amazon sales. But I think that's going to be taken away. So, aren't you upset that you're going to lose all that work that you worked on all these years? No. Because what I'm going to do now, for the very last time, I'm going to remove any Amazon affiliate links from my websites. I will continue to talk about everyday products. I like to write about them. I like the research. Content is king. It's still, no matter how many video creators are out there, YouTubers, Rumblers, I mean, any kind of video, text content is king. And I'm all about ads. Now, my Google AdSense income, well, it should start rising more if I can get over this hurdle that I chose, that I will no longer try to make it work. I have websites that show Google Ads, and I have it on auto. They place the ads. So they're telling me they feel my work is worth showing an ad on. And if I can get over this hurdle, I could show so many more ads. Like that ad just popped up in the middle. I forget the name of it, interstitial or something like that. This video is going to be long. Same thing here, that one. See that ad? They put that there. I didn't. I just say auto ads, and I have another website. Have an ad on top. That one I placed there, but they placed this here. They placed this one here, the Kia. They're showing car ads on my websites. So, this is a part of that website, interweb. I'm going to make a new thumbnail. This is the real deal. I can't keep up with it anymore. I can't believe those ads are already going obsolete. Already? Well, I can't go down that path anymore. Oh, one more thing. Look at this, guys. One more thing. Just as an example. Oh, where is it? Shoot. I love chock full of nuts. I'm just using this as an example. You can buy their products right from their website. They don't need Amazon. That's the wave of the future of selling products online. I even checked to see if they had an affiliate program. Well, why would I do that? I love their coffee. I'm going to write about their coffee. And I own the blockchain domain of their coffee. It's over here someplace. Let's see. Chock full of nuts right here, .crypto. I'm planning for the future. You can buy products directly from the company. I'm 55. I feel by the time I'm 65, now this sinking in, I already see Amazon. Yeah, they're building warehouses, but they're changing jobs, like they're cutting jobs. And that's always going to happen, especially with robotics, artificial intelligence. So you got to pivot and change with the times. From my experience, text content will always be king. And I love advertising. I love ads. I like listening to ads. I'm a consumer. I like to know what's going on out there. And I like to spend my money. I do. I like to earn my money, but then I also like to buy things. Ads will always be in play. So with Google, the regular AdSense for the websites, and my YouTube partnership ads, and I'm joining on other platforms, my revenue is increasing. I'm going to end it on that note. I hope you understand me. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to try to make it work to go around affiliate links of Amazon. I will use Amazon. I'm a customer. It's good to gain information by browsing around and finding out information about products. They're going to take that away because for a lot of years, people were using Amazon, just copying and pasting their content and placing it on their websites. Well, I could guarantee those people didn't build a foundation that they can pivot easily and not lose years of hard work, because that's going to go obsolete unless you are someone who produces quality content. I'm about substance. I'm about content. And I do that for a reason, because I want to join other affiliate programs. So I hope you found this video interesting. If you appreciate following an average person, making it online, understanding what's going down, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll continue to share all the things I learned, and I'll share with you how pivoting, because now I just can't do this anymore. I'm not going to promote Amazon affiliate links anymore. I just, it's just pointless. I'll continue to write about products and let AdSense, Google AdSense, they're king. I could join other affiliate programs, but they have me. Let them put their ads wherever they feel like putting their ads on my content. I'll see you in the next video clip. Thanks for the support, and you can do it too. I built solid foundations that I won't lose if something changes in the future. I can pivot. See you later. Bye.